In this video, I'll show you how to find Facebook draft reels. So go to your Facebook. So tap on this, what's on your mind. So I can just type in hello. If you come on here, you can save this post as a draft and still come back if you're saving as a post. But as a reel, I'll show you what you need to do. So tap on this, what's on your mind. Tap on video, photo or video. So if you select any of this now, if you try to cancel, you won't see the save as draft option. Let me show you what I'm going to show you now. So what you need to do for this, select the reel you want to post, tap on the next. If you scroll up, you're going to see scheduling options, tap on it. So you can see schedule for letter, so tap on it. So once you come on here, you can be able to schedule it to the time you want. You can schedule it to be 6:30, save, go back. So once you schedule this post, you can still come back and find this post as your draft reels to be posted. You get. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you like, share and subscribe.